Welcome to yet another video. So previously we had created this order. So we're going to talk about shifting items, shifting tables, and eventually end up talking about settlement. So I'm going to start with shifting items to different tables. So in an instance where maybe you mistakenly added a Coca-Cola, I have to, so I'm gonna use a beef barbecue. I just need to pick one item. So if, let's say, this beef barbecue wasn't supposed to go to table 100, and instead it was supposed to be 103. So in that case, you select the beef barbecue, and then you have an option to actually shift this item. So this option is not available to everyone, and neither are all options available to everyone unless if you decide that they should be. So where exactly do you set that up? So when you come back to settings under access controls, if you look for shift, you'll notice that no one is actually allowed to shift items from tables. So why am I able to shift items in the first place? Because I'm logged in as a super user. So if I log out and I log in as, for example, cashier. So if I select this, you'll notice that I actually don't have those options. So that's one area I wanted to show you. So all these options are not available to everyone, like I said, unless if you want them to have them. So if I go back to the super account, so you'll notice that I actually have them because there is no limitation to the super account, but you can make adjustments for who accesses what on your system. So let's move this beef barbecue to table 103. So I will select the item and shift this item to 103. 103. So if I select that, so a new order is created and this item is shifted here. So it actually also shows who created this table, and all the information about who created this is actually still persisted, because as much as I moved this item, I didn't send it out. So that's to do with shifting an item. So if for instance, if you want to move the entire table, because sometimes clients do shift from different areas to another, let's try to move this table from table 100 under the bar straw to probably the balcony. So let's pick table BAL001. So to shift a table, there's this little icon just next to the name of the waiter. So when you click this, it will ask you, the system will ask you to pick a table. So we want to pick, it's the first one. So you'll notice that this changes immediately, and this is cleared out, and now your client is seated on balcony 001. So that's it to do with shifting and items and all that. So in the next video, we're gonna talk about settlements and discounts. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.